I'm John Barker, aka your grandma's favorite pitmaster, aka the Little Pork Chop. And we are in the Skull and Mortar kitchen, and today we are going to do glazed smoked pork chops. Holla at your boy. Guys, today we have these delicious looking pork chops straight from Porter Road. Let's go ahead and crack these open because I know you want to see them out of the package. Now the cool thing about Porter Road is they will allow you to hop on their website. Of course they will. They're trying to sell you some goods. And they will allow you to pick the exact cuts of meat that you want, and they will ship them directly to your door. So no more going to the grocery store and hoping you find what you're looking for. No, my friends, it's simple. You click it, they ship it, it goes directly to your door. Within a couple days, it's right there, and it's ready to go, man. And the best part to me is it's all super high quality, man. Everything that I've had from them so far has been next level, off the chain. Look at my videos, the brisket, the tri-tip. I've used them for a lot of videos now, and I have not been disappointed. Now look at these beautiful bastards right here with that sweet little bone-in action. Everybody likes a little bone-in, don't they, Chris? Check out the link in the description. Of course, it helps the channel, but it'll also help you get some poppin'-ass meats. Now, this is actually a pretty simple recipe. We're doing a couple of things here that you've seen us do in previous videos, but with a new twist. So maybe you've had a pork chop. Maybe you love a pork chop, but you want to spice it up. Let me show you how we do it, guys. So first, we are going to take that Skull and Mortar original rub, skullandmortar.com, check it out. You can use any barbecue rub you like, but I'd like to show you something here. As we open this up, check this out. Bam, sealed for freshness, sealed to make sure it's not tampered with. And the cool thing about this seal comes in the lid when we order them, so all we gotta do is heat it up, baby, and we make it safe and sound. So all we're gonna do here is we are going to put a voluptuous amount of rub on here. Now you can choose to brine these if you want. I'm not too concerned with it because the meat from Porter has been fire. Malcolm Reed over at How to Barbecue Right has a great simple pork chop brine recipe on his smoked pork chop video. That's it. We're gonna hit that with that rub. The base is down, but we want to make it pop a little harder. So we're gonna go back over it. I still got this old bottle of God Save the Queen. Look at that. Old ass label, old ass bottle. We got the new ones on the site for you. But then we're just gonna go back over the top and give it a light rub down. Again, that's just to kind of make it pop some. And this is just going to make some of those flavors pop. It's going to add a cool texture to it. It's going to give you some juicy seasonings on it. Seasoning, if you will. Now we're just going to kind of push that down, flip it back over. Oh, do not do that. That is a copious amount. We're going to have to fix that. I'm going to drop a little bit more on here. Give it a good push in. Give it a good push in. Flip that over. There's some of that rub that we rubbed off of there. And we're just going to kind of push that in. Now, I'm going to set these off to the side for about 15 minutes. I'm going to get my smoker up to a balmy 250 degrees. I'm using cherry smoke. We're going to throw these on, and we'll be right back, guys. I don't know what else to tell you. It's that simple. Prep done. Holler.
Every woman I meet, they all stay satisfied. I want to tell you, pretty baby, what I see, I'll make my own. And I'm here to tell you, honey, that I'm bad to the bone. Bad to the bone. Bad.
Guys, this glaze is super easy, but it's super good. We're going to take our Beach Bum OG Blend barbecue sauce at skullandmortar.com. If you don't have this, if you can't get this, get whatever you like. Give yourself a good dose in here. Don't be afraid. You can always use it for other stuff, right? But the secret ingredient today is we're going to throw some apricot preserves in there. It's going to give it a nice, sweet, fruity flavor. Now, kind of break that up in the sauce as much as you can. Obviously it's cold, so it's not going to be easy. You saw about how much I did, about a solid tablespoon. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this sauce, I'm going to throw it on the smoker now, and I'm just going to let it smoke for a little bit. It's going to heat up. It's only going to be on about 10-15 minutes before we glaze our pork chops. We're not glazing sauce. That doesn't make any sense.
At the joy they had found, the head nurse spoke up.
Our pork chops are at 135 degrees. You know what that means? It's glazing time, guys. Now don't be a dummy and touch that metal, all right? That's how you burn the out of yourself. Let's get some of that apricot preserved barbecue sauce.
Bad to the bone. I broke 1,000 hearts before I met you. I'll break 1,000 more, baby.
All right, now we're gonna slam this lid back down. We're gonna let them get up to about 140 degrees. We took our bone-in pork chops from Porter Road. We hit them with some of that original skull and mortar rub. We threw them on the smoker. Then we glazed them with a little bit of that original beach bum barbecue sauce mixed with some apricot preserves. And now there's only one thing left to do. It's to taste them. Let's cut it with this knife. That's way too ridiculous for what we're doing. Look at that. First off, do you want to know if it's moist? Come on, dude, look at that reflection. Look at that little shine action. And of course, you know, I got to taste it. This is good, dude. I don't know if it's Porter Road or if it's me or it's some of both, but this pork chop, all the meat I get from is fire. Everything turns out great. I don't know what else can be said. Check out skullandmortar.com, porterroad.com, terrysmomsho.com. No matter what, cook something, eat something, enjoy your life. We'll see you next week, maybe sooner, with a brand new video.
So after we get you looking dope as possible in your Skull and Mortar t-shirt, we gotta get to the cooking. You might as well get that food tasting fly as possible with your Beach Bum Barbecue Rub, made exclusively by Skull and Mortar. It's award-winning. It's gonna take your food from the bottom to the top. And after we sauce you up, we might as well rub you up, my friends, with that Skull and Mortar Rub. That's right, don't be a pervert. We're not talking about that kind of rub up, my friend. We're talking about the rub that you put on your meat. Again, come on, dude. Have some class. Put this on your chicken, your pork, your beef, your fish. It doesn't matter, you can put it on anything. If you can find something you can't put it on, shoot me a DM because you'll literally blow my own mind. Check it out now at skullandmortar.com.